The Yoruba Council Worldwide has announced that the 7th edition of the annual World Omoluabi Day will hold on Thursday, May 1st, 2025 at the MKO Abiola Cultural Centre, Kuto, Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital. The event, aimed at celebrating Yoruba culture, identity and unity, will have President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the chief host and Governor Dapo Abiodun as the host governor. The Ooni of Ife, Enitan, Ogunwusi, Ojaja II, is expected to lead other eminent Yoruba monarchs to grace the occasion. Addressing journalists in Ile-Ife Osun State, the council's global president, Aare Oladotun Hassan, described the festival as a platform to foster unity, partnerships and community development. He emphasized the council's vision to promote security, education, health and infrastructure development through the celebration.
Our royal father, led by His Imperial Majesty Ooni Babatunde Enitan, our grand patron, the Ooni of Ife, who is going to be playing host to all royal fathers, including the Ile-Ife of Oyo, the Obalake of Egbaland of Aare Oladotun. We are expected to host the kings from Lagos, from Osun, from Oyo, from Ogun, Ekiti, alongside all indigenous Yorubas across the globe, to come home come 1st of May, which is the only accredited day national celebration for all Yoruba indigenous people, as approved by His Imperial Majesty Ooni of Ife and the Ile-Ife of Oyo. We believe that this is a clarion call that the 7th edition is to celebrate our culture, our brand and our unity. We are equally using this opportunity to call on all corporate multinationals to see the opening of this great opportunity to come and sell their product, to advertise and also partner with us as we grow the Yoruba land together. We believe that the security, education, health and infrastructural development of the Yoruba people is important, and that's why we are calling on all our governors to join hands with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the chief host of the event, alongside all the southwestern governors, from Governor Dapo Abiodun, who is the host of the event, alongside all the southwestern governors, from Governor Sanwo-Olu, the chairman, Southwest Governors Forum, and executive governor of Lagos State. The World Omoluabi Day, as rightly acknowledged, is to celebrate the vigor, the hardworking spirit, the dedication, the integrity of the Yoruba people, whom are well blessed with God-given wisdom. And that is why the global community has referred us to Omoluabi, meaning God's own begotten child. We are endowed by this Christian name that is being granted to all of us in Yoruba land. And the best way to showcase our value is to come to Abeokuta in Kuto to let us celebrate this year's edition. Our celebration, as you know, will commence in Ile-Ife as from April of this year, where we will be playing host to His Imperial Majesty the Ooni of Ife, who will host us to prayers, and I pray that this year's edition will be of a great success.